Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial on how to easily set up and have virtual office hours. Now more than ever, our lives are busy, and sometimes we need to meet with either students, parents, or peers, but we don't have time to meet in person. That's when virtual office hours are extremely handy. I'm going to show you real quickly how to use whereby.com. It's a freemium website that you can use to create a free account. Once you create a free account, claim a room, give it a name, and if nobody else has already claimed that room, you can claim it and keep it. The nice thing about claiming a room is that you can lock the room when needed for privacy. For example, if you're talking with a parent about their child's progress, you can also lock it when you're not there. Similar to you're locking the house when you leave. The nice thing about locking your room is that if somebody comes to visit you, so to speak, they come to your virtual room, your web address, they will need to knock and take a selfie, which shows you who is there. So you can choose to let them in or to allow them to wait until you let them in later. You can have up to 3 other video feeds at once on the free version. On the pay version, I believe you can have up to 12. The nice thing about whereby.com is that you can access it via any web browser, but you can also download an app if you would like to. So you might think, well, why would I use this? Why wouldn't I use another, why would I use this? Well, you could use it for virtual office hours. For example, you could tell your students or your parents that you will be available online from 6 to 6:30 on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday each week in case they have any questions about homeworks or assignments. If they need you, instead of waiting to the next day and possibly the student not completing their homework or their work, they can always go to the web address that you share with them and meet in your office, so to speak. It's great for one-to-one parent conferences because there are always parents who can't make it to your school but want to. This allows them to meet you whether it's during their lunchtime or a time that's convenient for both of y'all. And when you lock the room, it means that nobody else can come in. Similar if you were meeting with a parent, you wouldn't want another parent just to come up and sit down at the table with y'all and start listening. Because you can have up to 3 other video feeds at once, it's great for small group online tutorial. Even if they don't have a webcam, they will still be able to see you or what you're sharing on your screen. You might even think of it for distant PLC meetings. Maybe your PLC is able to meet together, but you want to meet with other PLC groups within your district or within other districts. This would be an easy way for you to do that. Let's take a look at some tools that you will have, and then we'll go to whereby.com and we'll actually jump in to show you what it looks like. You'll see it's a very simple toolbar that's listed there. Camera, clicking on the video camera icon will toggle your webcam on and off. Similarly, the mic icon will toggle your mic on and off. So if you need to mute it because you have a call coming in or something like that you need to do offline, then you can quickly mute that. Also, you'll want to let your end users know that maybe if they have a dog barking in the background or something, they may need to mute their mic at the moment. A really nice feature is that you can share your screen and your users can share their screen as well. So whether they're using a laptop, a Chromebook, or a phone or a tablet, they can show what they're working on to help clarify and ask questions. Now the record option is only available in the paid version, so we won't be showing the record option. But if you want to record, let me suggest that you use an app or website such as Screencastify or Screencast-O-Matic. The chat just allows you to share via chat window. This makes it very easy if you want to share web links, URLs, or specific directions that they can then copy and paste and use on their side. Clicking on the people will show you who is in the group and also if their mic and uh, webcam is enabled. This will also easily let you see who's talking or where the noise is coming from if you hear some background noise, but you can't tell just by looking at the webcam where the noise is coming from. And then, of course, leave allows you to leave the room. I highly recommend that you lock the room when you're not using it. That way, others won't be able to jump in and use your room without you knowing it. All right, let's jump over and take a look at whereby.com. The nice thing about whereby.com is that it is so stinking easy. So I went in and I noticed that there's nobody that has claimed the room TCEA. So I claimed the room. That means my office, so to speak, my virtual office is located at whereby.com/TCEA. Let me go to that room now. Now, when it goes to the room, I'll be able to see my webcam and make sure, oh, wait, I've got a cowlick, or okay, yeah, I'm good. And then I can click on join my meeting. No other person is in with me right at the moment, but you'll notice at the bottom of the screen there are the tools. Let me uh, zoom in just a tad to make it a little bit easier. You'll notice there's a link there that I can easily share out. I can tweet or email or message or however I need to get that link out, I can do that. And then at the top, notice this is the critical part. If I click right here where the padlock is, I have a choice of locking my room or, in this case, unlocking it. When I unlock the room, if somebody has the URL and they put it in their web browser, they will just come into the room. If it's locked, like I mentioned earlier, it'll ask them to take a selfie and show me who it is and give me the ability to allow them in or not allow them in. While we're here on this screen, let me click on device, and you will have a choice at this screen to choose which webcam or microphone or speakers you want to use. This is great if you have maybe a built-in webcam, but you also have a webcam that you have plugged into your USB, or you have multiple mics, not just the internal mic, but maybe a headset that you're wearing that has a mic, or you might have earbuds that you're wearing that has a mic because it's what you use when you use your phone and you happen to be using Whereby with your phone. All right, let me go ahead and close that. You'll notice I unlocked the room, and so my padlock reflects that. So let me get my phone here. I got my phone, and it's asking me to enter my name. So I'll just say my name is Student and click continue. Okay, let me go back and refresh because it still thinks the room is locked. Oh, it's my phone is saying it needs permission to use my webcam and microphone. Yeah, I'm going to mute my mic and speaker. So I don't have any feedback coming in. But you will see here that I have not just my phone on one side, but I have my live feed. So on the right-hand side of the video that you're watching, that would be like a student asking questions. And on the left-hand side would be you leading the discussion. So here you could move over share and you could share your screen. Maybe you're showing a student how to um, do something in Google Classroom or how to do something on a math website you're going to. Or it could be that you're maybe having a parent conference and you're wanting to show the parents some of the student work, and so you're going to share there. It is so stinking easy. All right. Let me just say that this student or person was not following the rules, or they got in and I did not realize, oh, my room is unlocked. I can come up and click on the three dots, the more icon, and I can click remove, and that will remove the student. It kind of boots them out, and it lets them know the meeting has ended. You've been removed from the room. If this is a surprise, please contact the room owner. So you do have control over who enters your room and if they can stay. It may be that you're finishing conversation with one parent and you have another parent that you know is going to be coming in about 5 or 10 minutes. So you end the meeting with the one parent and you just wait for the other parent. Super easy to use, and I know you can make use of it whether you're using it in a blended learning or regular learning situation. We look forward to helping you here at TCEA, and if you have any more questions, feel free to contact us. Also, you'll find more resources and videos here at tcea.org/remote learning. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for joining us. Bye.